Hi, if you want to enter split screen on your POCO X7 and use two apps at the same time, then let's choose our first app. So, for example, I want to select YouTube. For that, I need to open it first. Now simply close it and use the square button to trigger my recents. And now you should see this list of apps which you opened recently. Find your YouTube, press and hold it, and you'll see many icons. So from this list, select the second icon by tapping it. And now we need to select second app for the split screen. For that, I can just leave recents and select something from my app drawer. Let's just scroll through the list and I'm gonna choose notes. For that, I'm gonna tap it. And now we just entered split screen. So I can watch videos on YouTube and at the same time I can make notes. So this is really comfortable. You can, for example, watch tutorials and make notes at the same time, not to miss anything. And also you can see those three dots. You can tap it. Here you can just move YouTube to this down side and notes to upper panel. We can do it one more time, and also you can use this icon to make your notes app as a floating window. Here you can see some on-screen instructions, so we can drag lower coordinates to resize. Let's try this out, and yep, it's working. You can also hold that line on the bottom and you can close it by simply swiping up. But in that case, you need to enter split screen again, just like that. Also, you can see this line in the middle. If you hold it, you can make notes smaller and YouTube bigger, or reverse. So use it like that. Also, we can see this icon with plus. Just tap it, and now you can use even 3 apps at the same time. So you got YouTube, you got notes, and another page of notes as a floating window, which is really cool. We can close this floating window by tapping the cross. And if you want to exit split screen, you can tap on the 3 dots and choose this plain square icon, with the help of which you'll close one app from 2 and one will left, so you'll close split screen and this is how it will look. Or there is another option. Let me just enter split screen again. So you can simply tap the square button once more. Now in the recents, you'll see your split screen and you can just swipe left and you'll close your split screen. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.